Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, bayakhala abantu about uMakhumalo's bedroom that why would she choose to have a blue wall out of all colors. Guys, animzwanga uMakhumalo, she said imali yakhe, it's her money and she's gonna choose however to spend her money, whether Tina sikhuluma lamakhisha ama-green blue walls, what are they? It's none of our business because at the end of the day, it is her dwelling place. Guys, I don't think I anticipated Umakhumalo realizing to this point, you guys. I don't know, guys. She really is seeing uMusa Mselegu for the first time. In all these years she's been dating and being married to him, she is finally seeing this man for who he is. And I didn't think this was going to be so soon. I could not believe my ears hearing Umakhumalo saying, Shuthi, this man is using me and wayengizisebenzisa, he is been using me. I'm just like, ma'am, finally now you see what the public has been saying. Now there's something Umakhumalo speaks about, guys, when it comes to Umakhwela and uMusa's relationship. She says she doesn't feel only disrespected by uMusa, but she also actually feels disrespected by uMakhwela. She says ukuthi uMakhwela ungene ngaleyo ngqondo yokuthi she doesn't care. She did not consider anyone's feelings. She did not consider yena uThobile's feelings. And then right there and then suddenly, guys, I had a light bulb type of moment that made me think, Uti, I kinda now am getting some sort of perspective of why uThobile actually has a problem with the way uMakhwela is coming in. So I just need us to realize that, listen, uMakhumalo, she does have a problem with number 5. She does have a problem with uMakhwela. Some people who are saying that Umakhumalo, she doesn't have a problem with uMakhwela, and I'm just like, guys, we all know the issues started between uMusa and Umakhumalo's marriage when Indaba number 5 came in, and we can't speak about Indaba number 5 without speaking about uMakhwela, because uMakhwela, the fact that it is uMakhwela coming from uThobile's village is what makes the situation tricky. So she does have a problem with uMakhwela, but her problem is, guys, uThobile waited for years before A, she was married, and before B, she was actually introduced or known by the other wives as Mselegu wife. And the reason why that took years is because uThobile, uMakhumalo, was shonipharing the existing wives, and that's the reason why she waited so long. These stories zikaMusa of lying to uMayemi that she was a intombazana, eshaya isigubhu, she was a helper. All of these stories that other wives know, those were lies by uMusa. And uMakhumalo had to keep quiet about those wives just so that azohlonipha abafazi bakaMusa Mselegu. I mean, there was even a time where uMakhumalo was actually saying that yena, she was married before uMayeni or something, or she was loboled before uMayeni or something like that. And one thing, guys, uMusa, yes, he has a track record of lying, so he did clarify it and say, which, you know, uMayeni came first. She was, rather, she was married and loboled first. But I don't think uMakhumalo would just lie about something out of the blue. So for years, guys, this woman has been doing things according to uMusa's way, just so she can respect the existing wives. So she kind of feels like, Usamke, why can't she do the same thing? Why can't she respect uMusa's existing wives and wait a little bit up until the situation is a bit less tense, and then angene? But the fact that yena uMakhwela didn't khuza indoda yakhe and say ukuthi, yazi baby, let's just wait a little, but let's give your wife some time or anything like that, ukhombisa ukudelela lokho, and the mentality that when you don't need the other wives, kanti usesithemjini lana. Anyway, she also says something. Umakhumalo also says, Uthi Bandla, all I'm asking for is for me not to be included in anything concerning number 5. In fact, I don't want to pay for your wife. I'm just like, excuse me, ma'am, did I hear you right? She didn't say wives. She said wife. So she's been specific. Umusa taking Umakwela. He has to build for her. He has to do all of these things. Umakhumalo saying, listen, in other words, I've been doing it for years. I am not going to support unkosikazi wako for you. And it could be, guys, that Umusa Mselegu ufake ulokuzan Umakhumalo neyongqondo yokuthi because I'm the one who gave you the platform to be who you are, then your expertise or the money that you get must come back or must be invested back into the family. And maybe that's why Umakhumalo has been willingly putting back money into Umusa's wives all of these years, because it doesn't make sense to me, guys. Which type of wife would agree to putting in a financial hand unless now you were made to feel and engraved with the mentality that you owe the Mselegu family? And I believe Umakhumalo, Umusa is trying to punish Umakhumalo, because in 2 episodes, was it 2 or 1 episode back, he literally said that once Umakhumalo disagreed with him taking number 5, the other wives bashinja and Shutige, they're getting influenced by Umakhumalo. So it seems like in his mind, in Umusa Mselegu's mind, he's dealing with the root cause of the problem being Umakhumalo. Imagine he goes to Umayeni's house knowing that it is Umakhumalo's night, because I'm thinking akaxabananga no Matele, so it can't be Umatele. Akaxabananga no Mangwade, and then he's coming to Umayeni's house, and when they're right, Umayeni ngokubumxosha, because tomorrow it's going to seem as if Umayeni is benefiting and enjoying these fights that are going on between Umakhumalo and Umusa Mselegu. Anyway, guys, let's pause it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.